Hey guys, in this part we think about operators in Python. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. So, I create two variables and addition operator x and y. Print subtraction operator this and multiplication print x and y and division, so control V, and modules and explanation and floor division and x minus y. Save and run. We have 7, 3, and this is 10, this is 2.5, this is 1, this is 25, and this is 2. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. So we have equal sign as assignment operator, and we have x plus equal to 3. This means x equal to x plus 3. Save and paste. We have minus this and modules and this explanation, and this is present sign, floor division, and explanation. Print x after assignment. So save and so comment this prints and run. We have so clear and run again. Oh, save. Sorry. And we have 8. This is 8, and this is what? X minus equal to 3. This is should be 2. Oh yeah, sorry. Remove and so comment this and comment this and save. Run. X is 2 and we should have 50. Save and run. 50, and we should have save again this number and save and run. we have 2, and we have 1, and the last, and 5, explanation 3, save, and we have 125. And comparison of operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. So print x equal to y and not equal, have this sign, and greater than x greater than y, less than x less than y, and greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, and and yeah, this run, and you see the results. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So print, for example, x less than 5 and the AND operator, and x less than 10. This is returns true if both statements are true. So this is false because 5 is not less than 5. Save and run. False. And if I change 5 to 6, and we should have true, and we have true. And OR operator. So x less than 5 or x less than 4, and OR keyword, and this is returns true if one of the statements is true. We should have false in here. Run, and we have false, and change 5 to 6, run, and we have true and not. So create another print and not, and the not reserve the result, returns false if the result is true. Save and run, and we have true and false, and change the 6 to 5, and this is in the parentheses is false, and not, we have not, and we should have true. Run, and we have true. And identity operators. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. So I create x equal to, so comment these, and x equal to, for example, 1 and 2 and 3, and y equal to 1, 2 and 3, and so x and z equal to x. Print x is y. Save and run, and we have false, and x is z. Run, and we have true, and we have is not. The is not returns true if both variables are not the same object. So I put not before the is and save, and after the is, and run. We have false. And membership operators. Membership operators are used to test if a sequence is presented in an object. So, for example, print 1 in x and print 5 in x. Save and run. We have true and false. This is false and this is true. And we have nothing. Nothing returns true if a sequence with the specified values is not present in the object. So I put not and save, and we should have true. We have true and true.